Ladies and gentlemen, welcome you all to the second edition of Aerostandards Conference organized by SAE Aerospace Forum in collaboration with SAE International. Before I invite Ravi Shankar Mysore to give inaugural address, let me briefly introduce Ravi. Ravi Shankar Mysore is Chair SAE Aerospace Forum and an independent consultant with over 32 years of experience in engineering in India. He recently served as Vice President Engineering, Global Engineering and Technology Center, Collins Aerospace, India, for 13 years. The center grew by multifold under Ravi's leadership. Ravi is one of the founding members of NASSCOM Engineering Services Forum and served on the forum from 2005 to 2007. He is a member of SAE India since 2016 and is the chair for SAE India Aerospace Forum. Ravi, with that, over to you for inaugural address.
Thank you, Satish. SAE India, as you know, is a technical society which is closely associated with SAE International and serves the mobility industry with a strong presence in automotive, aerospace, and off-highway sectors. We have over 3,300 professionals from 150 industries and 50,000 students and 1,500 faculty members from more than 400 collegiate clubs as members of SAE India. With a view to provide strong focus to different industry segments, industry-specific forums have been established under SAE India. We have aerospace, automotive, and off-highway forums working closely with all the regional sections of SAE India. SAE India Aerospace Forum, as mentioned by Satish, was established in 2009 and has been conducting seminars, conferences, workshops, professional development programs for professionals and students with a focus on aerospace. We recently concluded Aerostandards2022, a design contest for students where they designed, built, and demonstrated unmanned aircraft systems. We had over 500 students, over 50 colleges participating in this event across India. In continuation with the focus that we have on unmanned aircraft systems, we're now conducting an Aerostandards workshop, again with the focus on the standards that are being developed in the area of unmanned aircraft systems. Why aerospace standards? This is actually driven by multiple reasons. For one, today in India, we have a large community of aerospace professionals. This is led by significant growth of engineering and technology centers of global companies. In fact, the list is quite long, and all the major aerospace companies, such as Boeing, Airbus, GE, Honeywell, Collins, Thales, Moog, Safran, Bombardier, Rolls-Royce, have a significant presence in India. We have a large number of professionals working in the domain of aerospace in India today. Not only that, we also have several large engineering service providers like TCS, Infosys, HCL, etc., working in the area of global companies. In the recent past, we've seen significant focus on unmanned aircraft systems. In fact, the future of aerospace industry in the near future is going to be unmanned aircraft systems. The focus on this is so high that it calls for significant efforts in developing standards which will help improve quality, safety, and interoperability. So with this view in perspective, we have chosen today's main theme of our Aerostandards workshop as unmanned aircraft systems. In addition to that, we're also going to provide an overview of various activities of SAE International in the area of standards. And also, we want to ensure that more and more engineers from India participate in development of standards which are going to be used at the international level. So we're going to provide some information on that as well in today's workshop. And I hope all of you will benefit significantly from this workshop. This workshop covers professionals, academia, and students. While some of the recent conferences and that we held was either focused on professionals or students. This is something that is very apt and applicable to all the people across industry and academia. So with this, I welcome all of you to this workshop and hope that this will be a very fruitful and beneficial. Thank you very much. Over to you, Satish.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you for providing the context and the